Now let us see the nomenclature of aliphatic amines. So in the case of amines, there are two systems of naming. One is common name and other one is IUPAC name. So here we can see two types of common naming is possible. Under common name itself, we can name the compound in two ways. So let us see one by one. We can write a primary amine first, that is CH3NH2. CH3NH2. Common name for this compound is alkyl amine. That is the first type, alkyl amine. Here methyl group, instead of alkyl we can write methyl and we can add amine here. So this is the first name. And we can write one more common name, that is aminoalkane. So we can add amino first, amino, then alkane. Alkane means the parent alkane. Here one carbon atom is there and methane is the parent alkane, and we can write amino methane. So these are the two common names for CH3NH2. And we can write the IUPAC name. The format is alkanamine. Here the alkane is methane and E is replaced by amine, methanamine. So the name is methanamine. Methanamine is the IUPAC name of this CH3NH2. Let us write another compound, CH3CH2NH2. So the alkyl amine is, here the alkyl group is ethyl. So two carbon atoms are there. So the group is ethyl and this is called a ethyl amine. The first name or the first common name is ethyl amine. The second way of writing common name is aminoalkane. Here this is amino. The parent alkane is ethane since there are two carbon atoms. So the name is aminoethane. Aminoethane is the other way of writing common name. Then the IUPAC name, that is again alkanamine. Here ethane is the parent alkane, so it is ethanamine. E of the parent alkane is replaced by amine, so it is ethanamine. Now let us write another compound, that is CH3CH2CH2NH2. So there are three carbon atoms and the alkyl group is propyl, or we can write N-propyl, normal propyl, N-propylamine, normal propylamine, and aminoalkane. Aminoalkane here is amino, parent alkane is propane. So aminopropane. So aminopropane is the second way of writing the common name of this compound. Now let us see the IUPAC name. Here propane is the parent alkane, so E is replaced, and propanamine is the IUPAC name of this compound. So propanamine is the IUPAC name of this compound. So here we have written all the groups contain NH2, all the compounds contain NH2 group. That means these are all primary amines. So primary amines are named in this way, that is alkyl amine, that is the first type of naming under common name. The other way is aminoalkane. Aminoalkane is the other way, that is the other format for writing common name. And IUPAC name is alkanamine, that is the IUPAC naming for primary amines. So these are examples of primary amine, and this is the way of writing common name and IUPAC name for primary amines. Let us see secondary amines. So let us see secondary amines. Secondary amines, how to name secondary amines. So in the case of secondary amines, the common names are in two ways. One is alkylamine, that is the first way. The second way is N-alkyl aminoalkane, and IUPAC name is N-alkyl alkanamine. So in this case also two types of naming. under common name itself and IUPAC naming. So in this case we can write one example, that is CH3 NH CH2 CH3. So NH, we can see NH as the characteristic group. So that is a characteristic group for secondary amines. So by seeing NH itself, we can say that it is a secondary amine, and we can name it as alkyl amine. That is a common name for this compound, alkyl amine. That is a general format. Here this is an ethyl group and this is a methyl group. So two groups are there, and since two groups are there, we have to check the alphabetical order. So while writing in this way, that is alkyl amine, we have to write in alphabetical order. Here ethyl group is there and methyl group is there. So E comes first and we can write ethyl, methyl, ethyl, methyl, amine. So ethyl, E comes first, then M comes, ethyl, methyl, amine. So instead of alkyl amine, we can write ethyl, methyl, amine. Since it contains two groups, here we have to check the alphabetical order also. This is the first way of writing common name, the first type of naming under common name. Next one is N-alkyl aminoalkane. Here N-alkyl, that part is considered as a substituent, and this alkane is considered as a parent chain. So first of all we have to find out the parent chain and the substituent. So in order to find out the parent chain, we have to consider the longest chain. Here the longest chain is, here two carbon atoms are there. So this is the parent chain and this group should be the substituent. So the name should be N-alkyl. So the substituent, that is N-methyl aminoalkane. It is amino, alkane is ethane. So N-methyl aminoethane. Here N-alkyl, that is N-methyl is here. N-methyl means that is a substituent, that is the smallest group. And aminoalkane, here alkane is considered as a parent chain. That parent chain is selected by checking the number of carbon atoms. More number of carbon atoms are there, that is the parent chain. So ethane is the parent chain, ethyl group. Here two carbon atoms are there and this is the parent chain. So aminoethane. So that is the other way of writing common name. Now let us see the IUPAC name of this compound. The format is N-alkyl alkanamine. N-alkyl alkanamine. Here N-alkyl is N-methyl. Then alkanamine, that is the parent chain, the parent alkane, that is ethane here. So it is ethanamine. So the IUPAC name of this compound is N-methyl ethanamine. N-alkyl alkanamine. Likewise N-methyl ethanamine is the IUPAC name of this particular compound. So let us write one more example. CH3 NH CH3. So here there are two alkyl groups and NH is the characteristic group, and this is an example of a secondary amine. Two alkyl groups are there. So the naming is in this way, that is alkyl amine. Here two alkyl groups are there. Both are same and they are methyl groups, and we have to write dimethyl amine. So that is the first way of writing the name, dimethyl amine. So alkyl amine, instead of alkyl amine, it is dimethyl amine. Then the next way of writing the common name is N-alkyl aminoalkane. So here Both are containing same number of carbon atoms. So there is no problem in selecting substituent and parent chain. So it is N-methyl amino methane. So both are same. The substituent and parent both contains one carbon atom. So we can write N-methyl amino methane. One is considered as a substituent, the other one is considered as a parent chain. So it is N-methyl amino methane. Now let us write the IUPAC name, that is N-alkyl alkanamine. So N-alkyl means here it is N-methyl and the alkane is methane, so it is N-methyl methanamine. So N-methyl methanamine is the IUPAC name of this particular compound. Now let us see the tertiary amines. Now let us see tertiary amines. Tertiary amines, how to name tertiary amines. In this case also common name and IUPAC name. Here common names are either we can write alkylamine or we can write N-N-dialkyl amino alkane. This is the second way of writing the name under common name. Then IUPAC name is N-N-dialkyl alkanamine. So that is a method of writing IUPAC name. So let us see one example. So this is one example of a tertiary amine. Here we can see N. So this is a characteristic group for tertiary amine. So this is an example of a tertiary amine. Let us name this compound. Here alkyl amine. This is the first format or first way of writing. Common name is alkyl amine. Here also there are more alkyl groups. We have to check the alphabetical order. So alphabetical order. According to the alphabetical order, we have to write the name. Here, this is 3 carbon atoms. This is a propyl group, and this is a methyl group, and this is an ethyl group. So, this is actually normal propyl, ethyl, and methyl. So, while considering the alphabetical order, we will not consider N. We will consider P only. So, the first alkyl is ethyl methyl, normal propyl, ethyl, methyl, normal propyl, that is alkyl part. Then comes amine. So this is the first way of writing the common name, that is alkyl amine, considering the alphabetical order of alkyl groups. Next is N-N-dialkyl amino alkane. Here N-N-dialkyl, that part is considered as the 2 substituents, and amino alkane, here alkane is again considered as the parent chain. That parent chain is selected by considering that more number of carbon atoms. Here 3 carbon atoms are here, and this should be considered as a parent chain, and the other 2 groups are considered as the substituents. So we can write N-dialkyl. If 2 alkyl groups are same, we can write N-N-dialkyl. Here 2 alkyl groups are different, we have to write separately, that is N-ethyl. Ethyl comes first. So N-ethyl, N-methyl, N-ethyl, N-methyl, that is this part. Then comes amino alkane, that is amino alkane. Alkane part is the parent chain, parent alkane, that is propane, amino propane. So N-ethyl, N-methyl, amino propane, that is the other way of writing the common name. Next is IUPAC name, that is N-N-dialkyl alkanamine. Here also N-N-dialkyl means if both the alkyl groups are same, we can write N-N together. Here these groups are different, so we have to write N-ethyl, N-methyl. Alkanamine means the alkane is propane, so it is propanamine. it is propanamine. So this is the IUPAC name of this compound. Now let us see one more example. Tertiary amine, that is so another example, this is a tertiary amine. Here also we can see the characteristic group as N. So it's a tertiary amine. First of all, write the common name. The first way of writing common name is alkyl amine. Alkyl amine in the alphabetical order. Alkyl groups are written in the alphabetical order. Here an ethyl group, here a methyl group, here also a methyl group. So ethyl comes first. So ethyl, then comes two methyl groups. So it is dimethyl, ethyl, dimethyl amine. So that is a first way of writing common name. The other way is NN dialkyl amino alkane. Here NN dialkyl means the substituents. So which are the substituents here? Here the methyl groups are the substituents, and the parent alkane. Parent alkane means considering the number of carbon atoms. Here more number of carbon atoms are here. So ethyl group, here this is the parent chain and these two are the substituents. So we can write NN dialkyl. Here we can write NN dialkyl because both are same. So NN dimethyl, NN dimethyl amino alkane means the parent chain, that is ethane. So it is NN dimethyl amino ethane. So this is the second way of writing. This is NN dimethyl amino ethane. Then comes the IUPAC naming, that is NN dialkyl alkanamine. That is NN, it is dimethyl, NN dimethyl alkanamine. So it is ethane, so it is ethanamine. So the IUPAC name is NN dimethyl ethanamine. So this is the nomenclature of aliphatic amines.